Meet the ANNAPRO Comfort Head Strap 2 or A2 version 2 Gen 2 for the Apple Vision Pro. If you caught our review of the original, you know it made a huge difference in the comfort for long sessions with the Apple Vision Pro. But can the new version make it even better? In this video, we'll dive into the upgrades and share our experiences to see if it's the ultimate solution for the Apple Vision Pro.
All right, so first up, there is an all-new design. Now, they've increased the strap's overall height to fit the head more comfortably. Also, for those with larger heads that struggle with the Gen 1, you should be able to have better fitment with this, while still effectively reducing 60 to 90% of the pressure on your cheekbones and around the eyes. Now, the cushion is not as long, so you see on this is the original, the cushion is like all the way from side to side, whereas here the cushion is more in the center. And I believe that's because, you know, that's where I think most of the pressure is gonna be, so it's more focused there, which is good. And it has this two-piece design, as you can see. Obviously this one, the original, it's just this one piece. So here you have two pieces. You have the cushion piece and then this top piece here, probably for more support, more comfort. And then overall it's shaped differently. So if you kind of put them side by side, they have like a different shape to them, all about providing more comfort.
So there's been a change to the cushion material. The original had the PU leather. Now they have the breathable ice silk.
Yeah, I like it because I feel like the PU sometimes sticks to your like forehead and it's just...
Oh really? Yeah. I mean, I didn't have a problem with it, but there's definitely this ice silk material.
You're going crazy.
Yeah, I like it. That's pretty cool. You know, it's like, it's soft, it's comfortable, and like you mentioned, it's a little bit more skin friendly than the PU when it's gonna be like right there. You also get 4 different cushion thicknesses to choose from. So, you know, a lot of people say, you know, this isn't adjustable because it's just fixed here. But with those different cushions and the different sizes and the different facial interface thicknesses, you can kind of get it dialed in there.
Depending on your side.
Yeah, and your head size, yeah. So the original only had 2 cushions, and they were a 5 and a 10 millimeter for you to choose from. So now you get 4. So, like we mentioned, it's easier for you to get that perfect fit, and you know, for like adult-sized heads, kid-sized heads. And before we had the issues with the eye tracking. It was like, you know, it's being too far or too close, and move it up or move it down.
Or too far away from your face.
Yeah. Now with this, we're able to not have those problems, and it, you know, it was better in that regard as well. It comes with a pre-installed 12, and that's what we use, and that seemed to be the perfect fit for us. And
yeah,
we're
for
two,
both of
yeah,
us.
we're 2 different people, 2 different head sizes, but that worked good for us. So, like I mentioned, no longer get the pop-up saying, you know, I gotta adjust it. So that's great. They kind of slim down the sides to allow to 5 millimeters front and back, so you get a better fit for your head as well.
Yeah, so if you need to bring it like closer to your eyes or further away,
yeah,
so that's nice. Also, the speaker cutouts are bigger now. I know some of you were wondering with the Gen 1 if those cutouts modified the sound at all. We didn't personally experience any noticeable sound issues or anything like that with the original, but obviously with them being bigger, this is just gonna further ensure that there's no issues with sound. So those are all the new upgrades with the Gen 2 Comfort Head Strap. And it's still also really easy to install. Actually, I think it's even easier to slide on, and it doesn't damage your Apple Vision Pro, which is really nice. We've tried other head straps that, you know, were a little sus, and obviously you spent a lot of money on this, so you don't want it to get damaged. So that's definitely a plus.
So we've been trying it out for a while. We've been wearing it for like a good amount of time, watching content. So the updated design, it definitely sits more naturally on the face than the original Comfort one. I mean, it was on there and it relieved the original relieved pressure, but it didn't like
kind of like it pushed away.
Yeah,
from
it kind of felt like
naturally.
awkward. Like it wasn't like sitting as naturally as it when you don't have it on there. Like, you know, it wasn't like designed fully for the Apple Vision Pro. Now that it fits nice, you don't get that pop-up message saying you gotta adjust it, like the fitment or bring it down or things like that. So I feel like it doesn't relieve any additional pressure from the cheeks, but the original one did relieve some pressure. They're saying like 60 to 90% less pressure, but this one just fits better.
Yeah, and I think it does still fit that 60 to 90% like less pressure. I mean, they're not saying it's gonna relieve all the pressure.
Right, it fits better, it feels more natural. You don't have to worry about like constantly adjusting it. Like we said, with those additional pads at the top, you're probably going to get a good fit for multiple head sizes in case you got, you know, multiple family members that are using the Apple Vision Pro.
Yeah, so we definitely would not be able to wear it as long without this comfort head strap. So we definitely recommend it if you're looking for more comfort with the Apple Vision Pro. Again, we've tried other head straps as well, and they're just more cumbersome to install. This you just easily slide on, put your solo knit band back on, and you're good to go. And also some of the other ones we've tried, it was a little sus. Like it was kind of putting the arms in an unnatural place. And again, you're spending a lot of money on this.
Yeah, so you don't want the arms of the Apple Vision Pro to be like bent out because you got those connection points in there that for these arms, you don't want that to be pulling, or over time you don't know what that's going to do to it, so that's not good. But this
doesn't mess with the design at all.
Doesn't mess with design at all.
Yeah. Now, also, I know you guys have been asking, and obviously we were asking too, is once you get it on here, it is easy to take it on and off, but if you want to keep it on, right, you cannot put it in the original case. Don't even try it, because you could damage
the Apple Vision Pro or the head strap. You don't want to be pushing down.
You don't want to be doing that. But ANNAPRO has answered our call, and they've also come out with a protective travel case where you can keep the Apple Vision Pro with the head strap on, and it has this nice little handle. Now this is a pre-production model, but it's basically going to look like this. It's a nice hard shell case. And then you open it up, you have a battery strap here, and then a little pouch where you can put all your stuff. And you also have where you put the Vision here, and then you can adjust this to get it closer or further away.
Yeah, so that's going to protect your lenses here.
Yeah, and again, bonus is the main thing is you can keep the
because you don't want to take this on and off, putting that wear and tear. So but you want to put it away in a protective case, so that they're going to be coming out with that as well. So that's the ANNAPRO A2 version 2 head strap for the Apple Vision Pro. We think it's a great product that's going to increase the comfort while wearing the Apple Vision Pro, so you can have longer sessions, experiencing all the Apple Vision Pro goodness. You paid all that money for. You want to be able to use it for a long time. And we'll have links in the description to this product down below for you to check out. And please do remember to like, favorite, and subscribe so we can bring you this wonderful content. And that's going to do it for this one. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.